Hello kids, today we will learn the capital letter Z and small letter Z. So how to trace and what are the words with Z. So generally previously we will be calling Z, Jed. But now that letter is pronouncing as Z. It's different from G. G is different. G for giraffe, right? This is Z. Now we will see how to trace it. So sleeping line, at the end of the sleeping line you have to write left slanting line, and from the end of the left slanting line you have to write again sleeping line. This is the capital letter Z. So I'll show it again. Sleeping line, left slanting line, and again sleeping line. It should be continuous. There should not be any break. So we have to write the same thing for small letter Z also, but little bit smaller one. Okay. So I'll show. Again same, there is no difference, sleeping, slanting, and again sleeping, but the size should be small. You can see the difference if I have write in the four grid lines. Okay, so I will show how to write in the four grid lines capital letter Z and small letter Z, then you can see the major difference. So in the four grid lines, so first line, that means first red line you have to write the sleeping line, and left slanting line should be till the third line. Okay, end of the third line, and then from there again sleeping line. Okay, so that means capital letter Z we have written in the first three lines. Okay, see how I am writing. So in the first three lines we have to write the capital letter Z. Then how we have to write in the small letter Z? It should be in the middle two lines. That means in middle blue lines we have to write the same sleeping line, left slanting line, and sleeping line. But we have to write in the two blue lines. So did you see the difference? So how we have to write and what's the size of the capital letter Z and small letter Z? You got it right? Very good. Now we will see some words with capital letter. It's not like Z, okay? Z for 0. So you know the numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, and 0 is also one of the numbers. So it is the lowest possible amount or level. That is the Z. So in the mathematics, in maths, we have seen that small letter like 0. The next one is Z for zebra. Zebra is an African animal that looks like a horse and has black and white stripes covering its body. So it will have white body but the black stripes. It is looking like a horse but it's not a horse, and it is an African animal. Okay, maybe juice you can see. And then one zipper. Zipper is a device that is made of two rows of metal or plastic teeth used to fasten clothing, bags, etc. Maybe for handbags or for like dresses or for pants. You have been seeing this zip, right? So that one we will call as zipper. The next one is zinc. Zinc is a bluish white metal used as a protective coating for things made of iron or steel. So there are many metals like gold, silver, aluminium like this. Zinc is also one of the metals. Okay. So another word is like Z for zoo. Maybe. Okay kids. We'll see in the next class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.